Hey you! Yes you! I know you're tired of plain old script color or the eye-blinding light. How do I know this? Because you clicked on this video. And today, I'm going to show you how you can customize ROBLOX Studio to its full potential. Now before we start, I need to say that we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so sub to the channel would be very helpful. Now let's get started! Okay, so the first thing to do is press Alt-S and you go to the script editor. Here you'll find everything you need to edit the colors and stuff in your scripts. So we're going to go to themes, going on all the way to theme right here, and we have our text color and the background color. So I'm going to go ahead and change the background color. I think a blue like this, I think this is fine. And what we're going to do, we can choose selection color. I don't know what the selection color should be. So I'll just hit cancel. So the background color, we already did that. And so the operator color is basically the equals, the colons, the commas, the dots, etc. So yeah. So I think this should be let's say I'll do a nice green. There, I think green is good. Also, let's go all the way up. We can go to font and we can actually change the font of our scripts. So I think what I should do, I think for Doka 1 is a good one. No pun intended. I'll do for Doka 1. And there you go, we get our script for Doka 1. And I think it's way too small. I'm gonna change it to 14. Okay, I think that's way too large. 16. Okay, I think that's good. Alright, so we're going to go all the way down now. We're going to go ahead and, let's see, string color. So I think this one's a good one. So I think the string color, I think it should be purple. Yeah, I think purple's good. Now we're going to do the comment color. Actually, the comment color is going to be very bright green. There. So the comment color is basically this. But we put two hyphens together. That's the comment color. So yeah. Hello guys, welcome to YouTube. There. Hello guys, welcome to YouTube. Now let's go back to the script editor. Alright, so right here we have all the stuff. So I think where we should go, let's see, we got local. I believe the local sign should be yellow. There. I think that's good. Alright, now what we're going to do is, I believe we should go ahead and go to the function name color. Not this one. Where is it? I think it's right here. Local method color. There, this one. Where it says get service, connect with for child. I'm going to change this one to, let's say, I honestly don't know. I'm probably going to do orange. There you go. I think this type of orange is good. Now we're going to go ahead and do the Lua U keyword color. I don't think I want to do that actually. I'll do the self color. Because I don't see that, so I think I'm just going to go ahead and try to see the built-in function color. Yes, right here, this is it. So I believe this one should be, I believe it should be green, it could be red, but I think I'm just going to go ahead and do light blue. There you go, I'll do something like this. Alright, now the white space color, I don't think I want to do that. Let's try the local method color. I think we already did local method. Yeah, so we're going to do local property color, which is basically the print, the name, basically the variables in the properties. Yeah, property color. So I think this is going to be, a very dark blue. I believe it's going to look like this. Alright, and the nil color, nah, I don't think I want to do nil. Function color. So the function, I believe it can be, let's see, I will try red. I think very bloody red would be good. Alright, so let's see the function name color. I think we already did function name. Now let's see, so we got a string color, we got our comment color, let's see keyword color right here. So I'm going to change this. I'm going to make it really pink. I'm going to make it pink like this. Alright, so I think that's good. And I'm going to do the error color. Wait, I don't want to do the error color. Warning information color. So this stuff is the warning information color. This is the output that goes right here. So if I just go to output, this is the stuff we're talking about. So if I press Alt-S, I'll just move this right here, error color. I can change this to anything I like. Let's just say, I don't know, maybe, what if I did green? If I did green, I know it's a very odd color, and I'm not actually doing it, right? But, yeah. So I'm just going to go ahead and go back to our script, and we're going to change this back to really red. There you go. I think that looks good. So I think we're done with editing the script color, and as you can see, it looks really nice and fancy. So once you're done, we can now go on to the next thing, which is editing the studio icons. In order to add custom items in Roblox Studio, you need to go to a specific website. So this website called Vanilla3 has an icon pack. It is a very popular one so many developers use. So I'm going to use this one. And this link will be in the description below. So we're going to go ahead and click download now. And we're just going to click on no thanks, just take me to the downloads. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and click download. And now we just wait. So we'll go ahead and save this, not save as, save. There, now we're going to wait until it's finished downloading. Once it's finished downloading, go to the File Explorer. We're going to go to Download, and we're going to see our zip file right here. So we're going to right-click it and click on Extract All. Now right here, we're going to go ahead and just click Show Extract Files when complete, and we're going to click Extract. So please be patient when this extracting process starts, because it may take a while, because there's so many icons in here. So it's going to, take some time. So just wait and be patient. Alright, so as we can see, it is almost done extracting, so we're just going to wait for a few more seconds. Alright, so the folder has finished extracting. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go to ROBLOX Studio, and we're going to go to Alt-X, and we're going to go to the settings, we're going to go to Studio, and we're going to go ahead and go to Custom Icon Directory. Sorry, they have their own custom icon directory, I think. Alright, but what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and go to our downloads. We are going to go ahead and go to our Vanilla3 from ROBLOX Studio and choose one of these folders. So I'll choose, let's say, mono green. Alright, and let's say I'll do dark. There. Do not select Roblox custom. Just select the mono color and the version of it. So I got dark mode on, so choose dark mode. So I'm going to select this folder. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and close, and we're going to have to restart Studio for the effects to take place. And as you can see, we have our icons right here, but we're just going to go ahead and restart Studio anyway. And to open up our plates, we have our new icons, our fresh new icons in ROBLOX Studio. So that is on how to maximize or customize it in ROBLOX Studio. I hope you loved this video and that was very helpful. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel because we're on the way to 1,000 subscribers. So we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and put post notifications on. Thank you for watching this tutorial and have a great day.